Oh my god, man, that was a close. Oh my god. Okay, if you guys are gonna be working, make sure your ladder is on level ground.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jack Douglas.
With Monty again, he just came from Utah.
Mountain range in Arizona, which
Trailer guy, he's my secret connect.
the owners of this
I got eyes at the back of my head.
Yeah.
Thank you so much and good night, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Just to give them extra space, because I have a brother who
It's been 84 years.
It's okay, just try to...
never travels without his hunting dogs.
Okay, so this was gonna be like a guest house.
Yeah.
And I can still smell the fresh paint. The china had never been used. The sheets had never been slept in. Titanic was called the Ship of Dreams. And it was. It really was.
Okay, everybody, so it's been about 3 weeks since we bought this one-of-a-kind Spartan executive mansion, 50-footer. All right, so we're back. This is day 2 of getting the Spartan ready for the road. We got some new tires. I just installed this tire. We're gonna try to make it all the way over there without swapping all 4 tires. So these are the original tires that I'm buying it with. Reason for that is we've discovered that these are split rims, and basically no tire shop will touch them because they're just antique rims. They don't know how to take them apart. You got to unbolt them. So basically I would have to buy 2 new wheels and 2 new tires if I wanted to get all 4 replaced. Luckily we had these wheels tucked underneath here, so all I did was grab some brand new tires. These are 10-ply trailer tires, and hopefully we'll make it with 2 new ones on the front axle, and we'll keep the originals on the back. I mean, they hold air, so hopefully there's no major issues. But we do have a spare, just in case. I'll have a spare that, you know, could hopefully make us to the nearest gas station. So that's what we're doing today. Just getting it roadworthy. So we're just I'm trying to get everything sealed up, because once it's at the Grand Canyon, everything just turns 10 times harder. So I'm just sealing up any gaps where mice could get in. All right, so we got both tires on there, and now we're gonna start working on the front window, which I'm kind of debating if I should have started working on it now or just try to take it up north, whatever way possible without getting too much into the window. But like I said, the previous owners, they had the gaskets there, and all it is missing this square piece. And I'm thinking if I can get these polished, then we should be good. We should be good to just make it look like new again. So but regardless, I'm gonna try to get a mold of these just in case I crack one, or if I want to try to make some over the winter time. I'm gonna get a mold of it and the measurements and everything to try to see if we can get that replicated. But for now, I'm taking off the old gasket, and we got a brand new one in there, so that should help out, speed up the process. I'm gonna take everything apart, polish these tomorrow or over the weekend, and then I'm also gonna start working on getting this middle piece. So it's gonna look really nice. And Spartan's coming along. Executive mansion. Let me show you guys the small repairs that I did. Basically, we got this tire mounted, and then I also covered up this huge hole that was underneath with this piece of sheet metal for now. So I also foamed a bunch of areas to keep the mice out. So this thing is pretty much bulletproof now. It's just I'm gonna rent a truck on Turo, an F450, and this thing's heading up to the Grand Canyon pretty soon. All right guys, as you can tell, we got all the gasket off, we got all the windows off, curved windows. They came out intact, no broken pieces. I'm super happy. So now we just got to get those polished or get a mold of those and build some replicas. Probably not going to pay that. It's probably going to cost us maybe $150 just to get a brand new sheet of plexiglass, and then for us to build out everything. But hopefully we can get the originals polished up. But I'm still going to work on some replicas just to have as backups. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. But it's a good day. Spartan Executive Mansion.